In this video, I will be demonstrating this wire-wrapped arrowhead pendant. This is a beginner-friendly design using basic weaving techniques. I will be demonstrating with this titanium aura arrowhead. My base wires are 20 gauge and I have two 10-inch lengths. I am weaving with 30 gauge wire, but you can use a slightly thicker weaving wire if you prefer. Find the middle of your weaving wire. I will start wrapping from the centre of the base wires. Wrap twice around one wire. Place the other wire above the first and wrap twice around both wires. Wrap twice around the bottom wire. Wrap twice around both wires. Repeat this pattern. I have wrapped for 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. Flip the wires around and repeat the process from the other end. I have now woven for 2 inches or 5 centimeters. Turn the stone to the back. Approximately 1/3 of the way up the stone, wrap the woven wires around. Bend the ends of the wires gently upwards until the ends of the woven areas meet. Place the stone into position. Take one of the weaving wires and wrap twice around both the inner wires. Wrap twice around both the wires on the same side as the weaving wire. Take the other weaving wire and wrap twice around both wires on the same side. Wrap twice around both the inner wires. Wrap twice around both wires on the same side. Now separate the wires back into pairs. Do 3 rotations of the first weaving pattern on each side. A rotation is 2 wraps on the outer wire and 2 wraps on both wires. Separate the wires. Take the 2 inner wires and bend them around the stone to the back where the notches are near the top of the stone. Wrap the weaving wires individually around the remaining wires. Wrap for approximately ½ inch past the edge of the stone. At the back, bend the loose wires upwards, leaving a small gap between them for the other 2 wires to fit. Bend the wrapped wires over the side of the stone just below the notches. At the back, bend the first wire to fit between the 2 top wires. Continue coiling the weaving wire around the bottom wire until it meets the top wire. At the back, the coils don't need to be tightly packed together. You can loosely wrap the weaving wire around. Repeat with the other wire. When the bottom and top wires meet, wrap twice around both wires. Wrap the 4 wires together in a similar way as we previously did at the front of the stone. It doesn't need to be a specific pattern, just wrap them all together. Separate the wires back into pairs and finish with the weaving wires going between the 2 wires and towards the stone. Remove the excess weaving wire. Take another length of weaving wire. Find the centre of the weaving wire. Wrap the centre of the weaving wire twice around both the inner wires. Wrap the pairs of wires using the original weaving pattern. I have wrapped for 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters. Bring the weaving wires between the wires and to the front. Remove the excess weaving wire. I am using this small screwdriver to help shape the bail. It is 4/8 of an inch or 5 mm in diameter. I am holding the screwdriver, leaving a small gap above the stone for the wires to fit through. Bend the wires around whatever you are using. Bend the wires around again. At the back, take the 2 inner wires and trim them a little shorter. Bend the wires and tuck them under the wires at the base of the bail. Repeat with the remaining wires. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Please join me for my next video.